So today I'm going to take you through this Excel formula. Let's start with the basic, that's add,
So today I'm going to
subtract,
take you through this
multiply,
Excel
and divide.
formula.
So let's get some values for add. Let's say 2 and 2. 2 and 2. Let's say you want to add these two values. So you press equal sign, then you click on this cell that is B1, that's up 2. Then you say plus 2, that is any value in C1 that will add it. Let's go to subtract. Let's get here maybe 4, then 2, 3. To get to subtract, you'll press equals, then you say 4 minus 3, then you press enter. Multiply, let's say that is 4 2 equal sign, then you say this cell multiplied by this cell, get the answer. Divide, let's say this one is 6, then 3, you'll press the equal sign, then you'll say this the cell in B4 divided by this one, press enter. The sum equal sign, then you write sum. Let's say we want to get the sum of all these values, just mark that and then you press equals, so you'll get 41. Then the minimum, still you can get from the values that you have. Let's say equals minimum, then you highlight this data that you had already entered here, then you press enter. You see the minimum value is 1, and indeed is 1. Then the maximum, sorry, you press the equal sign, then you write maximum. See, it's popping on our screen, maximum. Then you highlight the initial data that you had entered, then you press enter. You'll see the maximum is 8, and indeed it is 8. Let's count all the cells that has values. For example, let's mark this range. First of all, let's enter the format. We say equals count. Then we highlight all this data to see how it practically works. Then we press enter. You see it has counted all the cells with that has values 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Indeed it is 12. The count, let's move to the counter. The counter now counts all numbers that have just any value. For example, let's say, so let's mark this range here. Let's enter the formula first. The first step is you press the equal sign, then you write counter, and it's right here. Then you mark all this, select all this range, select the range. Oh, sorry for that. So you enter, you press equal sign, then you write counter. It's right here. Then you select this range. It still says that all the cells that has values add up to 12. Let's say, let me include my name here. I'm called Davison, and see how the counter function works. Select, come back to the counter, then press equal sign, then write counter, then select all this data. You can see that it has also counted my name, because this counter counts all the cells that even just have a value in them. That's why it's at counted that cell with my name. Then let's go to the average, press equals, then write average. You see it's here. Then highlight all this data to get the average, then press enter. Consider the average of them, or you can just say let's have some values here. Let's say salaries. Let's enter some salaries here. For example, 120,000, then 140,000, then 170,000, 70,000. Let's say another one gets 200,000, 200,000, and you want to get the average. So we'll say press the equal sign as always, then write average. As you see, it's popping on our screen. You double click on average, then you come and select this data, then you press enter. You can see that's the average of these salaries. That means the average is 157,500. Let's get the median. The median, this is the middle value. Let's press the equal sign, then say median. Median is right here. Then select this data, then press enter. We see that the median is in between here, that is 155,000. Let's go to the next one, that is concatenate. Concatenate, this means taking one data and connecting it to another. Let's say, for example, my name is Harley Davison. I'm skipping this so that when we are entering it, we receive some form of order so that these are separate, the names are separated. So Harley Davison is my name. Davison is my name. So when dealing concatenate, this means connecting my first name to the second name. Let's say press equal sign, then say concatenate. That is it, concatenate. Then you press in this cell Harley, comma, press also on that space, comma, then you press on Davison, then you say enter. As you can see,